Mũthikabu Deye nĩ akindĩrĩtwo ta mũthikabu wa mũgwanja wa kanitha wa Methodist gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ rĩtabanĩirio kanitha-inĩ wa Methodist kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi, na atongoria arĩa megwĩkinyĩtie igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ nĩ matũngĩrĩtie mũthikabu ũyũ. Kanitha nĩ ũrĩtio kũmba mũthingi mũrũmu kũrĩ ciana nĩguo kũharĩrĩria ũtongoria wa rũciũ.
Kuja kusema congratulations. You should allow me to call our presiding bishop Dad. That's the name I like calling him. Congratulations, Dad. As Kajuja said, it was a test, it is over. God has taken time. God's time is always the best.
We must take seriously the job we do, especially in Sunday school, because that's where the foundation is felt. So, Bishop, don't be dissuaded by these big men to think that you are going to serve the professors, the politicians who are here. Go back to Sunday school. Make sure that Methodist Church has a very good foundation from the lower level, because that's where you grow leaders.
We truly appreciate your generosity, prayers, well wishes, especially in the last 9 months or so, when our church was confronted with serious governance